Good morning! Happy Tuesday, guys! Breakfast ni Dan. Prepare natin yung kanyang, breakfast at saka lunch. Ito, di ba kahapon sabi niya, medyo kulang daw ng konti. Yun yung maganda kay Dan. Sinasabi niya kung ano yung kulang, ano yung hindi. So, at least ma-fix natin. Medyo kulang daw ng konti yung original recipe. So, ito actually, nilagyan ko siya ng 1.5 tablespoon of honey para ma-add, para madagdagan ng sweetness. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng milk din. Kasi sabi ni Dan, parang kulang siya without milk. So, yung kahapon, dinagdagan ko siya ng milk. Kaya lang, kulang pa din daw yung lasa. So, ito, this time yung dinagdag natin is honey at saka milk. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano natin to ginawa, I will leave the link of the vlog, yesterday's vlog, dito sa cards. Lagyan natin siya ng milk. Tapos ipamix natin siya kay Dan. Siya na ba? Ay, wait. Ako na lang mag-mix. Gagawin ko yung lunch niya. Yung lunch niya, madali lang naman kasi. Madali lang gawin yung sandwich, guys. Ang gusto siya ni Dan. In fairness naman sa kanya. Tapos kagabi, nagluto ako ng more capsicum kasi kulang. More bell pepper ba? Ayan. Ayan. Ready na yan? Breakfast ni Dan. Kinakain niya yan before siya umalis kasi madali lang naman siya maubos sa kanya. Sabi din niya, nagustuhan niya daw yung guys, yung pa-snack niya na fruit. So, ayan, nag-prepare na ako ng grapes pa din. Same nung kahapon. Para sa niya yan. Snack niya yan. Yung details ng pagkagawa nitong sandwich na sa vlog ko din kahapon, guys. So, if you wanna watch, again, ililive ko yung card. There's honey there as well.
What's up?
Hello, guys! Nakapag-makeup ako't lahat. Pumunta si Dan sa post office kanina kasi dumating yung aking Jeffree Star Cosmetics na concealer at saka powder. So, ayun, napa-review tayo ng bongga. I'm pretty sure the video is already up. So, ililive ko siya here. Hindi pa tapos yung review ko kasi katatapos ko lang ng makeup ko. But so far, I love the foundation and the concealer. Tingnan nyo! Ganda! Ganda nga. Tapos ang bango ng nako. Ang bango ng powder. Hindi ako makaget over. Pero ngayon, ang gloomy. Ang gloomy, oh. Kahapon, medyo sunny. Right now, it's very gloomy. Wala si Mr. Sun. See? Very gloomy today. Anyway, I'll just work on my video. I'm gonna edit a thumbnail for tonight's video and maybe edit as well. Guys, nagluluto pala ako ng yung chicken liver at saka giblets kasi nung nandito si Namanay, Friday, grocery shopping kami, diba? Bumili ako nito, lulutuin sana namin, kaya lang nakalimutan na namin. So, niluto ko na lang siya. Pinanood ko ulit yung vlog namin na niluto namin to. Ilalagay ko yung link box, yung nagluto kami ni Manay ng atay at saka giblets. Bakit umiiba yung boses ko? Nakakaloka. Nandito na yung giblets. So, yung nilagay ko dyan is obviously tubig. Yung seasoning natin is salt, vegeta, garlic powder, at saka pepper. Yan yung nilagay ko dyan. Hintayin ko lang na ma-reduce ng konti pa yung tubig. Tapos, i-add ko yung atay. So, nandito yung atay na hugasan ko na to. Ready na to ilagay. Maya-maya lang. And ginagamit ko na guys yung yung nabili namin sa Japan. So, yun yung ginagawa ko sa kanya. O, diba? At least wala na sa counter or sa ibang plato yung namin, yung mga sandok-sandok namin. Kanina pa yan dyan. Check ko lang kasi nag-edit ako nung itong review ko nung nung setting powder at saka concealer. In-edit ko na siya para ma-upload ko na siya bukas agad-agad para sa inyo guys. Again, you will see that video before this vlog. Kasi upload ko yun agad-agad bukas. Ayan, tapos na to guys. Kasi wala nang sabaw And isa-store ko na to sa fridge. Kumain na kasi ako. Yung ulam ko kanina, yung IKEA meatballs. Niluto ko lang to para may stock ako sa fridge ba. Kasi after na yan, kung gusto mo siyang lutuin air fry mo lang siya. And yun, ang sarap na nito. Chinek ko na din siya. Kinat ko yung gitna ng mga atay. Just to check kung merong pink-pink. Last time kasi na niluto ko to, medyo pink-pink yung gitna ng ibang atay. So ngayon, pinakuluan ko siya ng matagal talaga just to make sure na walang pink yung gitna. Kahit na alam ko naman na i-air fry ko siya after. I just don't want pink atay. So yeah, na-check ko na halos lahat ng atay. And ano naman, halos lahat talaga ng atay. Dami kong atay na hiniwa para i-check yung gitna para lang sure. Kasi nawawalan ako ng gana kapag nakakita ako ng pink. Ano talaga? Hindi tuloy ako nakakain nito. Last time nagluto ako nito, nandito nga sila Manay noon. Matagal na yun. Tapos, pag open ko nung isa, meron talagang pink and nawala talaga yung gana ko sa kanya. Uy, yeah, okay na to. Patayin ko na yung apoy. And, i-store ko na yan sa, fridge mamaya. Bongga. Kakarating lang ni Dan, guys. I-open na pala natin to. Uy, when did you get this? Oh no, I got it on Saturday Saturday pa. Sorry po, Lola Ganda. This is from Lola Ganda, guys. I-ano natin siya, i-open natin siya, babe. Ginagamit ko kasi siya. Nakakalimutan ko siya, ginagamit ko siya, nalagay ko siya dito, no? Tapos nilalagyan ko ng camera ko. Tapos dyan ako nag-film ng diba, yung pag-prepare ko ng breakfast ni Dan. So yeah, anyway. I-open natin to. Tinulungan siya ni Tita Linda nung friend niya pag-send nito. So, thank you po. Sobrang salamat po. Nagpunta daw kasi sila dito sa Australia para mag-attend ng wedding. So, inutusan siya ni Lola Ganda na ipasend to sa akin. So, salamat po. Sobrang thank you. Let's open it kasi nandito na si Danny Boy. Ayoko kasi siyang i-open na wala si Dan. Kasi parang merong para kay Dan dito. Or siguro mostly para kay Dan. Just like last time. I'll do my best to find the vlog nung send niya kami ng isang box, guys. So, galing to America. Si Lola Ganda, taga-America siya. So, Tita Linda helped her ship this to us.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so Tita Linda brought it all the way from America to Australia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Thank you po. Salamat. Yeah, that's her friend. Shout out kay Tita Linda. Woo! Okay, wow.
Jesus.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh, the diet is real. It says for Dan and Ray's.
Thank you.
You open that.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Oh, is that
chocolate.
it? So inside is chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
I won't open that yet, but thank you. That's good.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Oh, this is gonna be good as well. Chocolate almonds. Oh, these are delicious. Thank you for those as well.
Salamat po.
Oh, these are healthy.
Ah, yes.
Pistachios.
Pistachios. That's my favorite. That's our favorite nut.
Yeah, it's in squares. It's in squares.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Gluten-free pistachio squares. Ay, bongga. Salamat po.
Oh, this is cool.
Can I open this? Wait,
Yeah.
let me open it now. Oh, let's try it. Why?
You like this?
I think I will. Is it sweet?
No. Good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's nice. This is really handy. This is hot chocolate, but it's from Serendipity. So that's from the Serendipity in New York, the famous dessert place. That's awesome.
Hello, thank you.
'Cause we'll have that all during winter.
Yeah, I know. Ang lamig na dito, guys.
Yeah, that's
As you guys
pretty
can
cool.
see. Thank you po.
Yeah, that's nice. I like
Oh my
that.
gosh.
Yeah.
There's more.
You can open this one, babe.
This is good. Salamat po.
I'll have one of these.
It's good because it's refillable.
Exactly.
Dan has been doing really good lately. And now we have this. Kawa, Lola
I think
Ganda.
you're gonna have to hide this from me. So these are it here. Heaven.
Heaven over.
I like them.
Ito. Nagtanong siya ng size ni Dan. Ay, perfect sweater, babe. Oh, jumper.
Is that for me?
No, I think this is for me. This is size... What? I think that's for kids.
Yeah, that's your size.
Yeah, it is my size. Hala, salamat po. Get the other one. Will it fit?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it will. Look. What do you mean?
Let me try it on.
Try it on. I'll try mine on as well. Is this mine?
Yeah, it's yours.
Try ko, guys. Try namin. It fits?
Yeah.
Let's
It's really
look.
nice in there, actually.
Yay, it fits!
Yeah, perfect.
Hala! Ako din! NYPD! New York Police Department.
Yeah, this is cool. I really like these.
Yay!
Thank you. These are awesome.
Salamat! Oh my gosh.
Are we twinning?
We're twinning!
Matchy matchy, and I love matchy matchy.
You're right.
So-
Oh, this is nice. Salamat po. Lola ganda.
So we can't wear these at the same time.
Salamat po, Lola ganda and Tita Linda.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I like this as well.
Nice. You like it?
I do.
Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you.
It's very nice.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Prepare tayo ng dinner ni Dan, guys. Yung dinner niya tonight is beef, steak. Tapos yung side dish is baby broccoli at saka isang corn. Yun. Hugasan ko lang to and then ilalagay ko siya. Ibo-boil ko siya. Pwede namang i-steam yung broccoli pero boil ko na lang para mas mabilis. Parang i-blanch ata yung tawag doon. Parang after mo siya i-boil, lalagyan mo siya ng cold water. Parang i-run siya sa cold water ba? Blanch ata tawag doon, di ba? Yung ginagawa ko sa corn, ang bilis lang yan, guys. Mina-microwave ko lang yan. Kinukuha ko yung balat, nililinis, tapos sinuhugasan ko siya. Hindi ko siya dinadry. After ko siyang hugasan, i-wrap ko siya sa cling wrap, tapos ilalagay ko siya sa microwave. Kapag isang corn, 4 minutes. Tapos yun na. Di ba ang dali lang? Walang boil-boil. Yung ganito kalaki, yung ganito kalaking beef, parang ganyan. 12 minutes, guys, sa air fryer na Philips, yung gamit kong air fryer. 6 minutes each side, and perfect daw siya, sabi ni Dan. Alright, so same seasoning, salt, pepper, Italian herbs, garlic powder. Ito yung dinner ni Dan, guys. Baby broccoli, corn, na may butter, at saka steak.
Is that broccoli?
Baby broccoli,
That's
yeah.
baby broccoli. Okay.
Yeah. Good, my love?
Yeah, that's good though. Thank you.
That's alright.
That looks good.
Yummers. Yung akin, wala, bakit 11 minutes? 10 minutes lang yun eh. Yung niluto natin kanina. Air fry ko lang siya. Yummers! This is my dinner! Yummers, guys. Si Dan, tapos na kumain. Di pa nga natapos yung pag-air fry ko nito, tapos na kumain si Dan. Do you wanna try my dinner? Kain tayo, guys. Ay, yung sauce ko pala. Ito. Toyo mansi with chili flakes. Kain! Kalimutan ko kayo ng slide. Kanina pa kami, di ba kumain kami. Tapos pumunta na kami dito sa bed. Nanood kami ng movie. What's the title of that movie we watched, babe? Huy, Danny. What's the title of that movie we watched?
I don't know.
The Bow... Nanood kami ng movie.
When the bow breaks.
When the Bow Breaks sa Netflix. When the Bow Breaks. In fairness, maganda siya. Lahat gagawin mo para sa anak mo. Charot. Pero yeah, basta maganda siya. Maganda yung story. Anyway, kailangan kong i-close yung aking review, guys. So, close ko lang yun. Tapos mag-skincare na din ako. Wait, alam nyo, close ko na lang din itong vlog kasi tatapusin ko pa yung review. Yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye, guys. Be good. Good night.